Hello. Hi guys. Can you hear? Hello. Hi. Yeah, there is a viewer. Can you hear us? Hi, Mr. Namasalayam. Can you just show a thumbs up if you can hear? From Progress Club. Hey, sir, how are you? Hi,
Are you able to
Rakesh.
hear? Rakesh, are you able to hear us?
Yes. Okay, great.
Okay, great, wonderful.
Just probably wait for a couple of minutes for a few more people to get started.
Okay, wonderful. Thanks, Rakesh. Just give a couple of minutes for people to join in as well. Just waiting for few more to join in. Start talking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. We'll probably reach time.
I think
We can start? Yeah, let's start.
Yeah.
Yes, hi guys, good evening. I hope you're all doing well at home and you're not venturing out too much. So this is a tough time for everybody. But yes, we should stay at home. We should stay safe and make sure that that we have to fight this virus for now, and we need to get past this soon.
Yeah, I see a lot of people joining in. Thanks Rakesh for coming. Thanks Sri Kumar for coming. I think it's been, this is our first Facebook Live which we are broadcasting, and we believe that we want to do this on a monthly basis, and we believe that we'll make this as interesting and as useful as possible as we go on. So thank you for all the support. I think from a concept wise, I think also has done very well, because it's kind of what we wanted to do was help people, help seniors stay at home rather than move on to a retirement home. I think it's coming in handy today with all this corona situation, and we are able to really help seniors stay at home. And today we are able to do a limited set of services, but primarily we are able to do delivery of cooked food, delivery of groceries. We're doing some work in the medical space. We are able to provide nurses, caretaker, who are primarily, we are able to only provide people for full-time help for people staying at home and able to help people. But people are, the nurses, we're not able to do any part-time work because they are not able to move, but we are able to also deliver medicines, deliver consumables and all of that. I think we are able to do some of it, and going forward after 20th April, I think we will be able to do much more as we go on, and we believe that there's going to be a lot more action. We believe that this crisis has given us a lot of confidence, because it has kind of given us the comfort that this model works very well, and we are able to actually reach out and help people when they are in trouble. The phone and the app model has worked very well, and we believe that with the phone support and with the app technology, we are able to connect to the vendors. I think there is a lot of the vetting of the model is kind of done now, and we believe that this is a model which we will go forward. Obviously, going forward, there's going to be we'll just come back to that question, but obviously this is a model which we believe will as we go on will become a lot more useful, because we'll be able to do all the services which you have envisaged, and we believe that this is going to be successful. Obviously, 24/7, somebody has asked saying, is there a specific time at which you will deliver it 24/7? I think 24/7 is two parts actually. There's some services where we will need 24/7 more from a security emergency services piece, which we'll have to work with the situation today, and B, with the support we get from the service providers. So we are working on that. We want to make at least the emergency service 24/7, and we believe we will do that as soon as possible. And obviously we are waiting for a decent amount of momentum which we are getting now, by which we will get these services, if not 24/7, at least 16/7 in terms of phone answering and all of that. Today it's being done by the people more involuntarily, but we'll more formalize the whole thing and make it at least 16/7, where you're able to reach somebody all the time, even though services are scheduled for later time.
So there is one more question where somebody is asking how the app works and what kind of phone support is available. The app works like any other app, so we are a cluster of apps of maybe say an Uber and a Dunzo and a Swiggy and maybe like a Practo of sorts. So all these services can be booked through the app, or it can be booked through the phone as well. But all the people who who call and give us like an inquiry, they will all be given a login ID, and you'll be able to see what you are doing on the app, how much money you are paying for which service, how much is there in your wallet. In like the normal times, you can use the app to book for food, but this is not to replace any kind of Swiggy or a Zomato. This is more like with respect to where you want to order for a regular lunch or a regular meal, like a meal for everyday lunch or everyday dinner. So this works a like a lot different than what we have been using like in these times. Yes, the app is available on Play Store, and it is available on the Apple phones as well.
Both App Store and Play Store, it's available, and it can be downloaded. And today there is a demo version which is available, where you can just download the app and play around with the app, figure out what how the app works and what are the features and all of that. And ultimately the app is basically an aid for connecting the customer and the vendor together. And we are saying the phone is an alternate way by which the customer can connect to Allserve, and we will do all the transactions through the app. So even though the customer is calling on the phone, the orders will get reflected on the app. So either the customer or the customer's representative can look at, when I say representative, I'm thinking of the children who probably stay away from them, who can look at the app later to know what they've ordered, when they've ordered, when it was delivered, and all of that. So all of the data, all of the information is available in the app, even though the customer basically uses the phone to make the call and make the order.
to answer the question from Anjana, yes, you need to be a member to use the app. You don't need to be a member to download the app, of course. In the normal times, we do have a subscription. We do have a monthly subscription. So like upon which you can use the app and you can use the services. But for now, in this time, you don't need to pay any kind of subscription. We are we are open to like all the services at your convenience.
For the lockdown, we have made this basically free, and the app is available for phone, tablets as well as laptops. Today, what locations do you use for service? Today we use the service, we operate only in Chennai. Pretty much the whole of Chennai. Today, if you look at what we do in terms of food delivery, we are able to do pretty much whole of Chennai. Grocery, we are able to do most of Chennai. There are very few areas where we are not able to deliver, but pretty much the whole of Chennai we are able to deliver. And at this point, we do only Chennai. This is kind of the initial market, but as we grow, we will go on to other cities.
To add on to that, during the lockdown time, not all the services are available. So like if you look at healthcare, we do all of the services in healthcare for all of Chennai, right from a nurse or to an attender. If you need to if you need to have this person at home, then we'll be able to do that. But and for grocery, we are available through like all the city, and you don't need to use the app to like order. You need to speak to our customer representative, and he or she will be able to help you like over phone to like order this. For food, for home cooked food, we are there in say about 50% of the localities of Chennai, and we are only and we are also like active only to those to those vendors who are who we know like are completely so like hygiene friendly, and we are 100% sure that the food is safe and the persons who are giving the food to your house are also safe.
Okay, today apart from food delivery, we are able to do grocery delivery. We are able to do some amount of work in the medical space. We are able to provide nurses. We are able to provide caretakers. Both of them on full-time basis only now. We are able to provide delivery of medicines, delivery of other diapers kind of stuff for medical purposes. But otherwise, pretty much these are the main services we are able to do today. Post 20th, we believe we will be able to offer all your repair, maintenance, housekeeping services as well. We are still working with our vendors to get them passes, to get them the best way to kickstart that process. We will come back to you with a communication as soon as possible when we are able to offer the repairs and maintenance services. Somebody has asked for concierge services. Today, I don't think we are able to do any of those concierge services. Concierge services is basically meant for seniors who have to go out either transport or bill
travel.
Payment and all of that today are not being done. I guess we can definitely do help for them in terms of helping them navigate any technology, but otherwise pretty much we are not able to do any of the concierge services. All of these services are provided by vendors. Also by itself does not do any of these service as a policy, because we believe we don't want to be in competition with any of our service providers, and our job is to ensure quality, ensure delivery, and that's what we are focusing on. So we are not doing any of the services by ourselves.
So there is a question about you being able to order like like on the Dunzo app as well. Yes, of course, this is so like absolutely so similar, but here there are a few advantages in this platform. Is you don't have a surge price on this, and in Dunzo, like if you like if you want to get like all the grocery and fruits and vegetables, then you need to go to different stores in most cases. But in this, you have a single point of contact where you'll be able to say this over phone or through a message or through the app, and you will get it all from like in a single like home delivery. So the membership covers all the services. Yes, it's not a separate thing for each of the categories. Yes.
To add to what Atul is saying, the idea is to provide all the services and offer help for them either online or offline on the phone for all the services under one platform. So everybody is able to go to one number 4666 4888 for any service they want. And we have covered pretty much the whole lifestyle services, anything which you'll need on a day-to-day basis. We're talking of 5 typical services. We're talking of food, we're talking of housekeeping, we're talking of security, medical emergency, medical care, and concierge services, which kind of all and sundry kind of services. So we believe that we have covered anything which is required on a day-to-day living basis, and that's kind of the idea in which this has been created. And language is basically Tamil and English today.
So there is one person, however, who can speak a little bit like of Telugu as well, who's in our team, so he'll be able to help with
Telugu and Hindi obviously, but primarily we believe in Chennai it's going to be Tamil and English.
Once we get the membership, do we have to pay for additional services? Yes, of course, you need to pay for the services for which you use. The membership is for us to manage the office and to manage the platform. And to manage the whole platform and to have the right kind of service providers in the platform. But you will of course have to pay
for the individual services you use. Yes.
Yeah. Can we contact you only through the app, as it might be possible? No, you can contact us through the app or through the phone. You can call 4666 4888 and you'll be able to reach us. So we are live on phone during the lockdown times, right from 6 o'clock in the morning to about 10-11 o'clock in the night, and the same thing, like not at the lockdown time as well, but so you'll be able to contact us through phone as well, which makes it a lot easier for seniors. They don't have to necessarily navigate through the app, but of course so some of the payments have to be done through the app or through net banking, which makes it a lot easier. So yes,
basically the idea is we want to give you one single person as your relationship person. So when you call, typically when you call 4666 4888, which is the number, we will assign one person to you, and every time you call you will reach the same person. So you don't have to, we are not trying to create a faceless platform. We are saying this will go into the same person, your relationship manager. So every time you call, it will go to him or her, and you don't have to repeat any of her history and start off. So they will be your personal assistant for the whole process, and they will know your history all the time.
So to give like an example, like at this lockdown time, over the last couple of days, we did help a person who was looking for a nurse for their house, and we had it arranged for them. And we heard and we heard a good feedback from them as well. Cousin is in the US and wants to use the app for her parents. Is there a way she can reach out for the support? Yes, of course. So like if your cousin can download the app, and if your cousin can put the mail ID, so like within 2 to 4 hours, she will be like responded with a person who is her manager, who your cousin will speak to, like like every time that she wants to as well. You want
It is only for seniors living alone. No, it's not for seniors living alone. It is for seniors. But in the lockdown period, we want to basically help everybody who needs help. So we are doing for. We don't have a problem doing for everybody, but most of the services are curated for seniors. So we believe this will be more suited for seniors at this point.
Do you have a vetting procedure?
Yes, we do have a vetting procedure for our vendors, and we have a contract with all of them, and we do complete check with the vendors, and we make sure that they are able to deliver, and we follow up and make sure that the delivery happens at the right time. And so yes, we take responsibility for delivery by the vendor.
Each time a service is asked for, so our customer relationship person will be like responsible to speak to you right from when you book the service to all to like all the changes you want, and until the payment is done and until the service is complete, till the feedback is got and given back to the vendor. Our team will be present like in all stages as well.
Just to follow up on what Sri Kumar asked on the vetting procedure for the vendors, we have quite a few service providers which we have signed up, and we have signed up individually with all of them. We've covered pretty much, we have 2-3 vendors for each of the services which we operate, and as we go on, we want to create some kind of feedback from the customers, which will help us sort out vendors and give the best vendor and best service to each of these services.
So they will come with an ID, and on the app you will also be able to see a photo and the name of the person who's coming to your house. So say for example you are booking for say for a plumber, you will be able to see his name and face, so you can be sure of who is coming to your house, and that's a safety aspect which we make sure is served.
This is a question basically asked saying, will the service person come will carry any ID? And yes, they will carry an ID, but you will also get an advance notification on the app with the photograph of the person, so you know who is coming. And services normally, each of the service, the time, how long it will take for the service to be delivered will be dependent on the individual services. But I guess today it's a little bit more delayed because of the lockdown situation. But normally, if you want food, you have to order the previous day for delivery the next day. Same as for grocery. For specialized services like nursing and other things, I think it's more we need to find the correct match. So it may take longer, may or may not take longer, but definitely 24 hours will be for most of the repair. Maintenance can be done faster, but depending on the time of the day when it is booked.
It may not be done on the same day, like if you ask for it in the second half of the day, because we will need that time to make sure that this person, he is updated on the app, and he has the whole requirement. So maybe the same day, maybe not the same day. But for concierge services, like it's the same thing. You want a taxi, it cannot be done, it just doesn't work like an Uber. But of course, we can do with a 2-hour kind of notice.
The question is about caregivers. The same ID, same identification process goes for caregivers as well. And one of the other questions, but are these services already available with senior homes? We definitely are an alternative to senior homes, and we believe the senior homes today has a problem because they are situated far away from the city, and B, you need a capital expenditure to go into. You have to either buy or lease or do something, and you have to move from your house and go there, which is a big decision. And we are providing an alternative for people who don't want to make that decision to move from your house. So that's where we come in. And obviously the services we do are much more than what is available in a senior home today, because they are situated far away, so their medical and home care are much lower compared to what is available today for people in the city.
Okay, to take the next question, are services found on an urban club? So not all which is found on like an urban club. We don't do like any of the services of a salon. We do like all the breakdown services, of course, like for a repair of your TV, your AC, all that can be done, and a plumber can also be done, but we don't do like the salon services yet.
COVID specific procedures for visiting persons, yes. Whoever comes for delivery comes with a mask, comes with a glove, they are vetted and they are trained for delivery with all the precautions. They will do all the social distancing as well.
Hello, Mrs. Rajam. I think we have also reached out to you like earlier through the group as well. Sure, you can call us whenever you want. We'll be able to help you.
Chitra Sridhar has asked for quality South Indian veg food. Can you arrange only when needed, not every day, and groceries? Yes, groceries
Absolutely.
can be delivered. Yes, it can be arranged only when needed. It cannot be one-off, but we can definitely deliver for them. During the lockdown period, we can definitely deliver whenever they need. No problem. And there is no minimum order.
And of course,
by definition, there is no minimum order for anything, because this is a subscription model, and we don't, once they are subscribed, we don't want any minimum order. But today, during the lockdown, we are saying there is no subscription as well.
Yes, Mrs. Rajam, we do deliver food to T Nagar. How do we like if you can leave your phone number, then we will reach out to you separately. Then there's a question above as well. Do you serve disabled people who are not very senior?
We didn't anticipate that. We are basically looking for we have kind of curated this for seniors, but we can definitely do for a disabled person or not senior. It doesn't matter. We can definitely do that.
If I opt for grocery delivery, is there a limit on how many times I can order in a month, or do I need to pay? No. So there is no limit. Like you are free to order even every day. So
there's no minimum order. There is no limit.
There's no limit as well. So yeah. So like how many times you need. Okay. I think missed a couple of questions. Can we set Sean services? I'm sorry, Varun. There was a question. We didn't get that. How do you get the membership? It is very simple. You need to call the number. You will be given a customer relationship officer who will call you and who will help you who will help you with the whole procedure. What kind of food, or is it only South Indian food? So during the lockdown time, we don't have too many options available, but yes, like a proper meal, which is a South Indian meal, which can be done for sure. If you're looking for a North Indian kind of meal, which cannot be done during the lockdown period, but after the lockdown, it can definitely be done. For now, in T Nagar, we can only do a South Indian meal.
Can he be contacted in case of an emergency if an elderly person needs to be taken to the hospital on short notice? Yes, absolutely. On normal times, yes. Today, I think those things can be done only through the ambulance. So we can definitely coordinate with the ambulance and make that work.
Okay. Do you serve chapatis? Not in the. So not like. Like in the lockdown period, it is like it is a little difficult to to have like a specific order, but after the lockdown, yes, we will be able to do that for you.
Jayanti Hariharan asked, can you people avail of services from faraway places, Kelambakam on OMR? We are working with a vendor and trying to get OMR activated. We'll come back to you as soon as possible.
Can I have it repeated periodically with a single initial instruction? Yes. So like unless you come and you say that no, that you don't want, that you don't want your food for the next day, like it is, like unless said it is the same thing, it is the same instruction, it will go, like as per your order.
How do your price compare with restaurants like AAB or Sangeeta? No, I don't think we are not serving restaurant food. We are serving home cooked food, and it is by definition probably much cheaper than a restaurant pricing.
Doctor on call, yes, we do. We definitely do like a doctor on call, and in the lockdown you can also do like a doctor on phone, and if you really need it, then we will so then we can arrange for a doctor visit as well. And to add to that, and in this time, since all the hospitals so they don't generally, encourage for a scan or an X-ray. We'll be able to help you with that at home as well. But of course, it has to be on a day's notice.
For someone living alone, what are the comprehensive range of services for a membership? I think we have tried to cover most of the services for somebody who is living alone on a day-to-day basis. So we've tried to cover all your regular needs like food, grocery and stuff. We tried to cover your repairs, maintenance and other things. We have tried to cover your security. Yeah, and we have tried to also do the emergency medical care and the concierge services, typically your transport, your taking care of your day-to-day, your monthly bill payments and all of that. So we believe we have covered pretty much most of what somebody needs for somebody living alone, and I'm sure we will be able to come with any specific requirement they have as well.
Hi Sabita aunty, yes I know, so like we are glad that you're happy with the food and with like the grocery order which you made as well the other day. Can we customize the order, for example, food with no salt or only specific vegetables? Yes, you can do that. So the food is generally with, like it's made for seniors. The food will not have too much, yes, it's not going to have like any amount of extra spice or salt, but we definitely can tell the person who's making the food that it has to be made without salt. That is not a problem. And the same thing goes with like the vegetables. We already have a couple of people who are who say that they don't like that they don't like so like a certain vegetable, so we can do that as well. Yes, that's not a problem.
Could you explain the earlier question on international services? How does the coordination process work? Typically we are saying the app can be, we can give access to both the customers in Chennai as well as their family who are living outside, and they can actually access through the app, make the order through the app, make the payment through the app, and they can also call into the number and talk to the relationship person. So I think it's pretty simple. They can definitely coordinate. They can look at what is happening, and they can also look at, they can make the order or make the payment through the app and coordinate with the relationship person. Hope I have answered. If you want more details, we can definitely give it to you, either now or offline.
Do you offer any activities to engage seniors who are staying alone? We don't do that, like on our own, but we'll be able to like put you like in touch with groups of people, who engage in like multiple activities to make sure that that they're fine and they're happy to do what they need. Payment gateway, can it take overseas remittances or etc.? No, it can take all. So yes. So the gateway can take all kinds of currencies. So it's not a problem at all.
It's a major gateway which we are using. So you will be able to do both international credit card and any such payment. So no problem at all.
So in our platform, when you are a registered member, you will get a call every other day from your customer relationship manager to ask you if you need something. But if you're looking for a person who's going to come to your house and talk to you every day, that is something which we can arrange as well. But our customer relationship manager will call you every other day just to make sure you are fine, and if you need any of the services or to get a feedback of the services which you are which are already taking in as well.
I think it's been a lot of questions, and thank you so much for the active participation. It's been a wonderful first session for us. Thank you very much. We are very encouraged, and we got a lot of feedback from all of these and a lot of great remarks as well from many of you. Thank you very much, and we look forward to interacting with each of you, and we will work with you to make this as good as possible to each of the seniors. Thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you again very soon.
Is it for a couple? No, each membership is for a family. So yes, you can get in touch with us through Facebook, or you can call 4666 4888. That's our number. We'll be able to help you with that on phone as well.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.